Let's see how to disconnect TPad photos from iPhone. In the first step, open Settings. Later, tap on your profile name at the top. Later, choose iCloud. In the next step, go to Photos. Now, switch off iCloud Photos. In the next step, return to iCloud. Now tap on Manage Storage. After that, select Photos and press Disable and Delete. In the next step, open Settings. Next, tap on Messages. Then disable iMessage Sync. In the next step, go to Settings. After that, select General. After that, open AirDrop and set it to contacts only or receiving off. You are good to go.